Hello. I've decided to start making videos again since I finally have good content and not just shite gaming videos. This video will fit in a larger series. I'm just gathering content for the main videos, so this is just kind of side project. For the project I'm making, I'm using a donor car, which of course has its original ECU or engine computer. Uh, but the wiring is a mess, so the ECU won't turn on, and therefore the car doesn't run. The injectors don't fire, and nothing works. So I finally got fed up after a week or two of trying to find why it's not turning on, and bought a Speeduino ECU DIY kit for £75 on eBay. I also ordered a Arduino Mega from AliExpress, and that should come soon. Overall, I think anyone that has done even a tiny bit soldering for it can do this. This took me about 3.5, maybe 4 hours. Apart from it was pretty easy, only I had a little problem where I used a wrong capacitor uh, in a couple places. Uh, it probably would have worked since the values are quite similar, but I didn't want to risk it, so I had to rip all them out. It was very difficult since I don't think they are really meant to be taken out, so I took them out, and then getting the right ones back in the holes full of solder was really difficult. So I accidentally kind of ripped up one of the copper traces, but I hope it's fine since I soldered to the copper trace. Um, I Apart from that, I only the only other thing I did wrong was I put a MOSFET where the voltage controller is supposed to go, but that was an easy fix. Uh, yeah, I think if you don't want to spend extra 40 whatever euros it is to get this assembled, I think it's worth getting it just the like component kit, since the assembly isn't that difficult, and you can just follow. Well, I used the Speeduino version 3 guide by uh, like the Speeduino channel themselves, and I used another guide that was specifically for my Speeduino 0.4.3 board by DC Works, I think the channel's called. He does a lot of good Speeduino content. Um, so yeah, you can look forward to the monstrosity I'm gonna be using this ECU on.